This is how to create a simple product. From the dashboard, we're going to go to the left-hand navigation and select all products. Eventually, this area will be populated with your actual products, but for the sake of this example, we're going to use one of the pre-filled out product examples. Let's trash this one. If you needed to trash a product, you can just click trash and it moves it to the trash. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate this product by clicking duplicate. You can do this for any of the products once they're populated. And I would highly recommend that this is how you start, because you start from a populated file rather than a blank one. So as you can see here, we need to list the brand name, the product name, flavor, some basic information. I've already populated that, and here we go there. Okay, so we have the name of the company, the flavor, what it is, how much. Now, this is the permalink or the product URL. You can see that it says copy and it has the old information in there. So I'm going to click to edit, delete it, and then click OK. And it will pull this information into there. This is your product description. It can be as long as you like. So you can detail processes in here, flavor strains, terp profiles, any excessive information that you want to put in here. It can be as long as you like or as short as you want. The product short description should be very short and very fact-based. I'm going to open this up into another tab so that you can see the correlation. Okay, so we have here the title, which is present here once it's saved. Then we have the long description, which is down here in description. Then we have the short description, which is here. This is the reason why we want to keep it short, because there's not a lot of space here. Typically what I do is type something like contains 1 gram premium batter. This is the example for a simple product, so these are going to reflect the simple product choices. The general tab is basically just for the pricing, so you can enter a purchase price, the regular sale price, or the regular price, and then a sale price. This is your inventory management. You want to click Enable Stock Management at product level. Stock quantity, 10. Allow back orders, do not allow. Low stock threshold is 2, which is globally for the entire store. This means that you're only able to buy one at a time, not multiples. If you like to enter the supplier information, you can enter it here or select from here if it's already been entered. This is the autumn inventory control switch. It needs to be on. Do not worry about shipping. Linked products are for upsells and cross sales, which we'll get into at a later time. Attributes are for variable products here. You don't need to worry about attributes at this time. Advanced, we don't need to worry about this, except for menu order. If you are trying to display them in a specific order, this is where you would do that, chronologically from 0 to 10, or however many products you have. That completes the product data palette. There's nothing else on this palette that you need to worry about. This is the Yoast SEO palette. The key focus key phrase is going to check to make sure that you've entered that key phrase in these different areas. So if I put in the key phrase batter, it's going to look in here for that word batter. And then you can also click get related key phrases and it will look for words similar to batter and post them in here. At this stage, you don't really need to worry too much about this. What I usually do is I will take the first sentence of the description and I will paste it in the meta description here. Usually it's orange because it's rare that the words line up. I typically don't put focus keywords in. I'm not paying a great deal of attention to this, but it does need to be addressed. It does need to be filled out. This is the publish palette, which we will get to in a second. Product categories. In this situation, we are doing batter. So we're going to look for concentrates, which is the main category, and then we're going to select batter, which is the secondary category. You can add new categories by clicking here and selecting parent categories. Parent categories can be either a primary category or a secondary category, such as batter live resin, batter, however it can be explained further. Product tags are keywords that are displayed on the right-hand navigation on the website underneath product information like recently viewed products, the search, and I'll show you that location here. It will populate over in this area once you eventually have them. Don't worry about the product location at this point. Product image. So you can click directly on this image, locate the correct image that you want to display, and then click set product image. Or upload from here, selecting the file that needs to be uploaded, and then it will transfer over into the media library. You will see it loading here. Once it's complete like this, then you can select it and hit set product image. If there are secondary images, then you can click the product gallery and add them there. Add to gallery. Again, click add to product gallery images, select, complete. If you want to remove them, hover over till you see the X and just click on the X. Don't worry about autumn attachments. That's it. Now, when you duplicate this product, it will also set the publish date for the most current time. So it's March 2nd, 2022 at 16:04, which is actually not correct. So I'm going to have to change the time real quick. But anyway, everything else here is correct. Currently, the status is draft. Once you click publish, that will change to status published. As you can, or no, it won't do it now. Visibility is public. You can also create password protected files, like if you were selling mushrooms or something to that degree. Your readability is the SEO. The SEO needs improvement. These things can be ignored because it's actually reading the body text and looking for specific things that more than likely you won't address in the long run. And then you're going to click publish once everything is done. Catalog visibility needs to be shop and search results right there. That's correct. Okay, so then this product has been published. and is now complete.